The ultimate hack to waking up early. It changed my life. Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the ultimate guide to wake up early in the morning. Waking up early is not just a habit, it's a lifestyle. It's a habit that can change your life for the better. In this video, we'll discuss why waking up early is important and how you can do it. So, grab your coffee and let's dive in. The benefits of waking up early are numerous. Studies have shown that waking up early can increase productivity, improve mental health, and boost creativity. But, waking up early can be a challenge, especially if you're used to staying up late. Here are some tips to help you make the switch. Step 1. Start small. Don't try to wake up 3 hours earlier than you normally do on the first day. Start with 15 to 30 minutes and gradually increase it over time. Step 2. Have a bedtime routine. Create a routine that helps you wind down before bed. This can include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or meditating. Step 3. Avoid blue light. Blue light from electronic devices can disrupt your sleep. Try to avoid using your phone or computer before bed. Step 4. Use an alarm clock. A good alarm clock can help you wake up on time. There are many apps that can simulate a sunrise to make waking up easier. Step 5. Be consistent. Try to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Outro. Remember, waking up early is a habit that can change your life. If you have any tips or tricks that have helped you wake up early, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.